breakfast preparation muna tayo ngayon para sa baon ni Mishka and almusal na din namin. Ito yung aking dough, ito yung satu, ito yung aking stuffing, and ito naman yung ating nilulutong satu parata. Tinatawag ako ni Mami dito sa taas kasi gumagawa daw siya ng pickles, amla pickles. Mami?
Amla
pickles.
Achar ke liye.
Ito yung amla, guys. Gagawin siyang pickles. First, i-boil, Mami. Wash ho gya, Mami.
Yeah.
Pakuluan. ये कितना minute, Mami? Boiling?
Half boil. इसमें रख करके boil कर.
Steam.
Yeah.
Steam pala siya.
₹40
Kilo.
Yeah, kilo.
Okay. Para siyang batuan sa atin. हो गया मम्मी.
ना ऑल कट कवर हो जाएगा ना स्टीम से सब. सब्जी
Dito pala si Mami nagluto ng roti. Ang kanyang pagkain. Bindi curry, sabji. Curry, pumpkin, and yung kanyang roti. Mami is preparing yung paglalagyan niya ng amla kasi kailangan mo pang ipa-dry yan. One day.
Yeah. फिर उसके बाद salt oil.
So, ipapadry siya and then saka na ilagyan ng masala. Okay. After like 10-15 minutes. Pag nag-crack na siya ganyan. So, this is hugya. Ayan. So, ito yung kanyang seed. Tulungan natin sa mga. Ow.
गरम है छोड़ दो. लेकर के उस पर फैलाओ हम दे देते हैं.
So, i-crack niya yan.
इसको ना ऐसे
Press, wala?
थोड़ा ऐसे ऐसे.
Yeah. Okay. So, i-crack muna natin. Ito, sobrang init niya, guys. Struggle is real talaga.
निकल जाएगा ना सब.
5 minutes daw. So, ito na yung ating na-crack na boiled amla. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Meron tayong baon pa uwi. Sabi naglilinis. Really, we have food. What's that?
I take it off the band-aid.
Okay.
I did like this.
Okay. You want to eat idli?
Yes, I'm having reborn.
You're what?
Reborn.
You're hungry?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Kapite yan dito si Kuya nagtitinda ng idli.
Papa!
Hindi na siya makapaghintay makauwi ng bahay. Gutom na daw siya.
Now you know I make something in my school for you and Daddy.
Really? What? Is it a surprise? You can't tell me yet? Okay, next time.
I'm home.
Okay. Let's go home. Come on. Yummy? Let's go. Ito yung kanyang idli with sambar.
Bye, Mimi.
My Daddy.
Chopstick pa. Did you finish your lunch?
No. Only apple. Mom feed me
Mom feed you
with the apple.
apple.
Not this.
What about this? Why? Did not finish so much. Ah, that's why you're hungry. You did not eat so many. Huh? Why? You don't like?
I don't like that ketchup. This one you like that last time? The sweet pumpkin. Alis kami maya-maya lang. Si Mishka hindi ko na pinatulog ngayong hapon. It's 3:41. Naglaro kasi siya dun sa taas. Pero before kami aalis, maghahanda ako ng para sa dough. So, umorder ako kanina ng mga ingredients ko for pizza. Tapos, ito yung order ko na dry yeast. Ang cute ng kanilang lalagyan, guys. Tingnan niyo. Look at this. I have ordered dry yeast. How cute is this? So, I'm going to use wheat flour and regular na refined flour or yung all-purpose flour or maida dito sa India. So, ihanda ko to before kami umalis para pagbalik namin mamaya, ano na siya, mag-rise na siya. Para mas refine yung kalalabasan ng dough, yung wheat flour, i-blender ko siya mabuti. So, kasama sa kanyang ingredients ay egg. Pero hindi ako maglalagay ng egg para mabigyan ko din si Mami mamaya. What is this? Baking soda?
Baking powder.
And that blue one is baking soda.
Yeah. Okay, mix it.
But why you didn't put water?
We'll add after this, after some time.
I don't know, baby. That means sit down here, okay? Sit down, baby. What are making?
We are making pizza.
How auntie make pizza?
pizza.
Yeah, you like that?
Yes, but I like your pizza only. Why are you putting mommy there?
Yes, mix it, baby. Fast, fast, fast.
No water.
Now I will put milk.
Milk?
Yeah.
Why? Hello guys. So I'm making pizza.
Pizza dough.
Pizza dough. I'm helping my mommy to make pizza dough. So my mommy says put milk and hot water is there. I don't know why my mommy keep it there. So I will just mix it. My mommy's too big. You can see my mommy.
It's fine.
But you can see my mommy's body.
Yeah.
Can I put oil?
Yeah. Not here. Now we're going to add oil.
Oil. Little bit. Mommy, why so many?
Mix it.
Oh no, so this will be sticky.
Come on, mix it.
It's getting sticky, mommy. Can you also do, mommy? See, mommy, it is so soft now.
Slowly.
Hello, guys. So my hands is dirty. See, with pad. Mommy, can I do?
Okay.
Don't help me. You put the oil, the milk. Why you put hot water here, there, mommy?
So that we can put it here. Slowly, slowly. Use your right hand, Balalaplap, not left hand.
This. Wow. Okay, don't do it. I'm doing by myself. I think mine is done.
Done?
Mine's done.
Put it inside.
Forget.
Sige na, sige na. Keep it na. Keep it there. You have to spread the oil.
Naghahanap ako ng duparta na pwede kong i-partner sa isa kong lehenga. I'm getting this.
Daddy, this one can we have?
Here. We are back home. Meron kaming nabili and then kinuha na din namin yung pinatahi ko kay daddy, yung lehenga and yung mga kurta. Excited masyado yung anak ko sa aming gagawing pizza. So first ay i-bake ko muna yung dough. Half cook.
Not cook.
Half cook. With our pizza dough. Ready ko na yung aking mga ingredients. Veg pizza ito para ma-share ko dun sa kanila, lalo na kay mami. And ito na yung aking pizza dough. Tapos may dalawa pa ako dun sa air fryer. So, unahin ko muna yung pag-assemble nito. Kinonvince ko si Mishka na yung para sa kanila, lagyan ko ng tomato. Tapos dagdagan ko din ng konting onion. Naka-finely chop man yung onion ko, so hindi na nila masyadong mahahalata. Yan natin konti. And ito naman yung para sa mga adults. Only yung ating vegetables. Ito yung second batch ko ng bread. Medyo na-overcook siya. And this goes in. Ito naman yung para sa mga kids. Ito yung second batch na. Fully loaded ito kasi tinry ko na maubos yung mga na-slice ko na kamatis, sibuyas, and bell pepper. So, overloaded. Ito lahat yung aking nagawa. 4. 2 for the kids and 2 for the adults.
Mommy.
You want
My
ketchup?
food is yummy or not? My mommy's food is yummy or not? Yummy.
Is it?
So,
Papa ka, mami?
Honey.
I need one more food. My food big and I mean, big you also having big. No.
That's fine.
So, we are having chips and pizza. Chips and pizza party.
We're having a party.
Yeah.
We're having a party, pizza.
Pizza party.
That is finished. Okay, then.
Careful. Yeah. Only this.
So
So you have to iron this na. Yeah. So yeah.
ito yung aking lehenga. Natapos na siya, pero may konting i-alter lang si mami dito sa gilid ng aking blouse. And ito yung binili namin kanina sa store. Dupatta. May paggagamitan kasi ako na kurta. And pwede din siya sa aking isa pang lehenga. And ito yung aking kurta na pinatahi. Ayan siya. Maganda siya pag nasuot na, guys. But anyway, malapit nang malubat yung aking camera. And ito naman yung pants. And ito naman yung yellow kurta. Maganda yung pagkatahi ni daddy ng palazzo pants. So, perfect siya. Yung pina-alter ko lang kanina is itong isa kasi sobrang sikip dito. Pero ngayon okay na to. Maganda ng kanyang pagkakatahi dito. Kompleto na ako sa mga susuotin ko para sa aming kasal na atinan. So, this is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. And, good night.
Good night, guys. Our channel is Raknahe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.